We're going to take a look at a little bit more advanced ways we can go and do command line compilation. So we're going to go back first with a simple command line project we already did and take a look at that. And then we're going to go and do a little bit more advanced version using multiple files and see how that works and specify that as well. So the first thing we're going to do is we want to introduce the amazing power of the asterisk. The asterisk is how I can actually go through and use the, grab everything. Now, the fact of this first project, there's only one file, so there's not really big anything to change, but we want to make sure we can demo it as well. So again, we're going to start off at the beginning. We have to change the directory of where we're looking for. That's going to go directly to it with the passing it the path that we're going through, going to the source folder from there. And again, if I type in ls right here, we've got this. You can see that's, and then we're going to regenerate this. We'll do it a little bit different way. So we can do that by going right here and just do java space c space asterisk dot java. So that's going to go through and it's going to recompile everything that has a .java extension. So it's going to erase and review what we had for inside that simple demo. And we run that right there, and boom, it reruns it. I can go ahead and rerun that same file by doing java space and then type simple demo. And again, it works just like that. Wonderful thing. Let's go ahead and look at the more advanced version. So we're going to move to the other folder we're looking for. So we're just going to go back up a couple levels. So cd dot dot to go up one level, and cd dot dot again. And then we're going to do cd right here, and then middle. And that's going to tell a middle Java demo, and we'll ls to see what's inside that. And again, we have a source folder and a bin folder. So again, we're going to go straight to the source folder and ls on that. As you can see right here, we have multiple files right here. And so if I want to just compile one of them, say for example, sample class.java, if I do java c space and then sample class.java, I can do that. And then I have to do java c and sample runner.java. And I can ls, and I've got my class files right there. But again, we can use the magic of the asterisk to do all of that all at once. So we use the rm command to go ahead and delete all those files. So I removed the .class files we generated by compiling them individually. And we're going to use the ability to use that asterisk we just demoed them earlier so we can compile both of them at once. It's a great tool. It's a little bit way we can make this better. So in order to do that, we just do java c, and then again, asterisk.java. So that says every single Java file in the current directory, go ahead and compile it. Hit enter. We'll go ahead and we'll run up again to list our commands. And as you can see right there, we have sample class and sample runner.class are already generated right that. And we can go ahead and run that same project just like we did earlier. So we'll do java space and then sample runner. And I'm inside the sample class's start method. Amazing, great little project. But wait, there's more. We also often want to make sure that we keep our stuff separate. We don't want to have these .class files kept where we're working inside our source directory. We often want to move them into a separate directory so we can have our project a little bit more organized and clean. So we're going to go ahead and we'll remove them again. So we're going to go ahead and remove all the class files. And what we're going to do is we're going to specify a path for the directory for our binary things. As you saw up here earlier, we had that bin folder specified. I'd already made that folder for this. And so you can create a folder to hold all of your .class files and have them separated out so you don't have to worry about them. It makes it look a lot nicer and a bit cleaner for your code. And it's easier to organize, and especially if you're working with GitHub, you can exclude that entire directory out of the way, and all your precompiled stuff is not have to worry about. And so we'll go ahead and run that again though, but we'll use this the -d flag so we can make sure we can have that go to the right spot. So again, it's java c. I'm going to use java c-d, and I'm going to specify the bin folder, but I have to be able to go up to that bin folder. So I'm going to // it's going to go up to the current above level because we're inside source right now, and then go into the bin folder from that. So we'll specify it and we'll put it all inside there. And then I'm going to go from there, I'm going to go ahead and do asterisk.java. So asterisk.java right here. And I'm going to go ahead and press enter. And let's go take a look inside that bin folder. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to cd and then .. go up a level, and cd bin to go inside it. And then we're going to ls inside there. And look, there's my sample runner and my sample class.class. And if I type in java space sample runner, I'm in my sample class's start method. It works amazing. And so we can see how we can do this a little bit more advanced, doing a couple different things. We use the asterisk to grab all the Java files. That works if there's just a single Java file. We also learned how we could go through and use the asterisk to get all the Java files right here. And we use it right here where I said java c asterisk.java. I also did a quick little review of how to delete things, but that's no big deal. And then I use the -d flag right here with java c-d, and it specifies to an already existing directory, hey, dump all the .class files, the stuff that I don't want to see as a human, over here so I don't have to worry about it. And then I can have my nice clean Java code in one directory and my bytecode in another directory. And then again, remember, in order to execute the code, you do have to go where the execution code is or specify that as a path. I find it easier just to go ahead and just put that path right in there and run. And so I did change directory in my bin directory, and then a Java sample runner, so I could go in there and run that. And the same project executed the exact same way. And we'll do some more things and get a little bit more advanced as we go along, but that's where we're going to end off right now. Thanks again.